The evidence of an encounter with Jesus Christ is the change of a life. Ubufakazi bokuthi uhlanganile noJesu ukuguquka kwempilo yakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi siphile esizukulwaneni whereby ukusindiswa it's what we only say. Sindiswa yilokho esikubhala kuphela kuma-bio ethu, kusindisa into esikhuluma ngayo ko-TikTok kuphela, but there's nothing eshintshayo ngempilo yethu makuthiwa sihlangana noJesu. I don't know whether the other thing esikhubazile is this gospel and the concept ethi come as you are. But to clarify that, lokho kuyiqiniso, the truth of the gospel is you come as you are, but you do not stay as you are. For this is a place of change. This is a place of transformation. Into enza sibone nje bafowethu ukuthi umuntu uhlanganile noJesu ukuthi kube khona izinto ezishintshayo ngayo. Kube ney'ndawo obuyihamba ongasayihambi, kube ney'nkulumo obuba kuzo ongasabi kuzo, kube nendlela obubehave ngayo ongasabehave ngayo. Awukwazi ukuthi uhlangane noJesu singaboni kukhona into eshintshayo. For abahlangana naye ethi iBhayibheli umpostoli Paul uthi ngangisendleleni ebheke eDamaseko, ngazi ukuthi ngihamba kahle, being a priest futhi nginikezwe amagunya abapriest nabafarisi abakhulu ngiyobulala amakholwa, kodwa uthi kwabanika kimi umbane. Therefore njalo mayeqala incwadi zakhe esibhalela wayeqala sibhalele lento ethi ngahlangana noJesu ngisendleleni ebheke eDamaseko. Angazi noma ungayibuza yini umbuzo othi kwashintshana empilweni yakho mhla uhlangana noJesu. For you to measure i-encounter yakho noJesu iqale ngezinto ezagudluka, iqale ngezinto ezashintsha. Angazi noma sisangayishumayela yini leyo nto kule generation yamanje la singasashintshi khona lutho, la singasalahli khona lutho, sesiza nakho konke, siza nakho, kodwa bafowethu khonto efike yenzeke lapha eminyango, khonto efike yenzeke lapha esangweni, khonto efike yenzeke na ungazi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Uthi ngangithanda u1 no2 no3, ngangi u1 no2 no3, kodwa ngathi mangihlangana noJesu zaguquka izinto.